Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I have a ton of listing that I'm going to be doing. As you can see behind me, it is kind of an overwhelming mess, but I'm going to be listing a bunch of fun stuff today. But first, I have a very special guest who's going to be helping me list some things on Mercari today. Calvin, can you say hi?
Hi.
This is my son, Calvin. Tell everyone how old you are.
8.
He's 8 years old. You want to sell some things that you just don't use anymore or you don't like anymore, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we're gonna sell on Mercari. Does that sound good? Mercari makes it extremely easy to list, and it's a completely separate platform from where I usually sell. So we're just trying to get rid of some household things. I want the money to go right back to this guy because it is his stuff, and he'll be doing it himself, and I'll show you guys the process step by step as he's working. Sound good, Calvin? Okay. First up, we have this book set that Calvin doesn't really read anymore, huh? What's it called?
It's called My Weird School.
Yeah, and it's a full book set. How many are in there? Probably about 20. And he decided he wanted to sell it, keep the money, and use it on something else. Does that sound good? Okay, go put it down. You're gonna be using my phone. Okay, so Calvin's gonna be using my phone to photograph the things he's listing today. Sound good, Calvin? Are you ready? Should we turn on the light so that the booth is nice and bright? Okay.
I'll turn it on.
Okay, we've got all our lights. Now go ahead and grab that book set.
Should I spread them out?
I think if we just take a picture of the side, that's probably good enough. And maybe you can put them in numerical order. You think you can do that?
They are actually.
Are they in numerical order? Oh, good job. You already did it?
Yeah, but some of them are lost.
That's okay. Okay. Awesome. And I think if you just take a picture of the spine there and the numbers, then that's going to be good enough. So make sure you get real close. Okay. So Calvin's just taking a picture of all the spines. Yeah, that's good. Fill up the whole screen if you can. Excellent. And then take a picture of the top. Good job.
And I lost some of them.
That's okay. We'll tell that some are missing. Okay, perfect. Now let's do your other cool thing. What else are we selling today?
My Batman Lego set.
Calvin has this really cool Batman Lego set that he got a while ago, but tell us why you're not that into it.
Well, because it doesn't really work that well. Maybe someone can work them out.
Is it kind of a too advanced of a set, maybe?
Well, it's not. It's actually pretty easy, but I just can't get some black pieces to get on the bottom.
Okay, it is technically ages 18 and up. You are 8, so I think we wanted to sell this one and then do what with the money?
Probably buy a new Lego set.
Buy a new Lego set. Yeah. Good idea. Okay, you can tape it closed. So we have every piece in here. Everything is bagged mostly except for box 1, right, Cal? Yeah. Awesome. Good job. Yeah, turn it right side. Perfect.
I'll take 2 pictures on the front and I'll take 2 pictures on the back.
Perfect. And make sure you get that little barcode there. That's something that people might want to see. So get the picture of the top, and we just want to make sure don't get your toes in there. So make sure your toes are not in the picture. Yeah. Excellent. Okay, and then
let's turn it over.
Flip it over. And you're showing some pictures of like the setup. Yeah, it can be mounted. Lots of pictures are good. All done. And you're also showing, that's perfect, and you're showing the flaws too. Okay. All right, Cal, ready to list it? You're gonna do my phone, so use my phone. I'm gonna kind of hover over your shoulder here. We are in the Mercari app. Can you tap on sell items? Or sell now, sorry, sell now. Good, okay, tap that camera in the top left. Now you're going to tap library. That's good. Now, let's list your Batman one first.
Wait, can I do 2?
You can do lots, so put lots in there. Maybe take the one of the UPC code, the barcode down at the bottom. Any others you want to include? So we added the photos, perfect. So we have the description. Oh, look, it already kind of knows what we want to sell. Lego DC Batman 1989 Batwing. Let's add to that. Actually, we'll just put open box. Open box. Now you're going to describe your item. You're going to put no minifig, because we don't have the minifig, right?
Well, we do have like the other thing.
Yeah, that's true, but we don't have the original minifig. So just put no original minifig.
No.
And you know what you can even do? You can record yourself. Just tap this record and say, does not have the original minifig, and then it'll automatically type it for you.
Does not have the original minifig.
And then you can put, bag 1 has been opened, but the rest are sealed. Can you say that?
Bag 1 has been opened, but the others are sealed.
Perfect. And then no hashtags necessary. Brand Lego. Now we're just going to fill in all the details. So the product is Lego DC, right?
Yeah. DC Superheroes.
And it's the 1989 Batmobile. Perfect. Age range, yeah, push 16 plus because it's older. Yeah. How many pieces? I think, can you look at the box? How many does it say?
2,000.
Yeah, perfect. 2,000.
2,300.
2,300.
6.
Good. All right, now do next. Well, the pieces work. I think it's
No.
good because it's missing the minifig. Trust me, Calvin, it's still good.
Yeah.
It's in good condition. So go ahead and push good. Let's see, who do you want to pay for shipping? I always make the buyer pay. Now we are going to pick our price, okay? I think we are going to do $150. Does that sound good, Calvin?
Yeah.
It says slow sale. Do you want this to sell fast or slow? Fast for less money or slow for more money?
How about like?
I think it's underpricing because the other solds look around $150. Set it and forget it. Increase your chances of a sale with smart pricing. I don't think we're going to do smart pricing today, but it's cool that you can do that. We're going to go ahead and not set smart pricing. Okay, so we've set our shipping price at 20 bucks and we will earn $130 after fees. Our listing is live. That's awesome. And you can share on social media, I think, if you want to. But let's go ahead and look. Oh, there's our listing. And we can promote it even if we want, but we'll just leave it be.
What does promote?
Promote means that you advertise it and it gets out to more buyers potentially, but we won't do that yet. I think this is a really fair price, okay?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, let's do another one. Good. Go to that one and then that one. Okay, remember, you can just tap that microphone and just say it. My Weird School Book Set.
My Weird School Book Set. Book.
And then how many, let's type in actually how many books there are. Let's look. There's 18. And then you could just put 18 books. Now, can you describe it? And you can tap the microphone to describe it.
It is not the whole entire book set. They are in good condition.
Good. Children's books, good. Scholastic book edition. Just tap which one. I think we said good.
FedEx.
We'll pay shipping. Let's pay shipping. We will do free shipping on this one because we can do media mail and it's really cheap. So, what price should we do for a book set? It's a set of 18 books. I think we should do like 25. Can you scroll down to 25?
No.
Okay, now do next. And don't do that. Turn off the smart pricing and then turn it off and then okay. Good job. Okay, Calvin. Thank you, buddy. He's celebrating that we did it. Okay. That's good. Thank you. We did it. How easy was that, Calvin? Was that hard? No, it's pretty easy. And are you going to enjoy that money when you get it? I hope it sells fast. Won't that be fun? When it sells, will you help me ship it? Awesome. Okay, because I have some really big poly bags we can use for those, so they'll be good, okay? I would like to thank Mercari for sponsoring this video, and I'm so excited for my little guys to use it to sell the things that they have around the house that they just don't use anymore. They can earn extra money. It's extremely simple, easy for anyone to use. Anytime you have toys that you don't need anymore, we can just list them on Mercari. Sound good? Okay, all right, thanks, buddy. Okay, I'm so excited to use Mercari as like a family fund. So I don't like all the time to just integrate everything that I'm selling like from home that's personal into my business. So I thought it would be a good way for us as a family, if we have any extra things lying around for my kids, what they have lying around, to add to Mercari, and then we can add it to like our spend money or our family fun money, a family trip money. I just feel like it's a good way to get them involved in being a little bit more accountable for trips we go on and food money that we spend, fun money that we spend. It helps them feel a little bit more responsible. You know, they're starting to get to the age where they're 7 and 8 now. They need to understand the value of money and that it doesn't just, you know, come out of nowhere. We work really hard for it. So I'm excited to do that, and Mercari is going to be a good way to get them introduced to that. It's extremely simple, extremely straightforward. They can do that themselves. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff that I'm going to be listing and working on today, but I wanted to stop and make this video with my little buddy. He is so cute, isn't he? I will definitely update you guys on if and when these items sell. I'll give you little updates here and there on our family spend money as we earn it or as we list. I appreciate all of you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I have lots more content planned for the next few weeks. I have tons of stuff I'm going to be listing. I'm going to be really taking my business to the next level this summer. I will be having a baby at the end of summer. So I want to get as many listings up as I can to help carry me through the first few months of, I guess, my maternity. I'm my own boss, so I can decide what my maternity is. It's going to be really exciting. We're also working on the garage. We have lots of stuff planned for extra shelves. You see all those shelves back there? We're going to have more put into the garage and used for inventory as well, so that I can potentially double or triple my inventory volume amount. And that's of course before we take additional steps to maybe get some kind of a storage unit or warehouse. We'll see. I don't know if we'll get to that point, but it's fun dreaming. Anyway, thanks so much, you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to show my little buddy some support and give it a thumbs up and a comment. This is of course something I would love to pass on to my kids, something that they can have a passion for and understand. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content from us and from me, reselling from home. You guys are always invited along for the crazy ride. Thanks again, you guys, and I'll catch you next time.